Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily customize the taskbar for faster multitasking on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and open up the settings. From here, we want to go to the display and we want to go to our taskbar settings. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of settings. Here we have our taskbar. Now, what are we interested in the taskbar? Is simply we can enable it, we can disable it, make sure that you enable it. Also, here you have show recent or suggested apps. So these are the apps. Now we can do the up to 4 apps, which is better for multitasking. And now what are we going to do? As we can easily use it right here. So of course, if you open up the taskbar here, you have some apps. Now here we have 4 apps that we can put here. Of course, we can do just that. We can spam the things here, and it's up to 6. I've lost count. And here we can make the app groups. So we can make the app pairs. We can add more apps. And for example, let me just delete everything from here. We have settings, browser, and Facebook. We got settings, calendar, and Google right here. Now, if we open up the first one, it will open up our Facebook, browser, and the settings. Now, when we open the next one, we have the calendar, we have the Gmail, and we also have the taskbar. So we can make groups like this with the apps that support it. For example, we have messages. Now we can swipe those messages here. We can add Spotify, and also we can add the third app from the apps. I'm gonna choose the contacts, and as you guys can see, now we got another app. We can click here, click on add app pair, and we can add it to the taskbar. Now it has been added to the taskbar, and as you guys can see, we got 9 apps in total here. So we can easily just swap between them right here. As you guys can see, it's that simple. And that's how you guys can customize your taskbar for faster multitasking. Make sure to not duplicate the apps like I did with the settings. And you can just create your own settings right here. But that's how you guys can customize it for the multitasking. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.